Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a nice spicy jalapeno vinaigrette. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go down and like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a nice spicy jalapeno vinaigrette, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 1 clove of garlic peeled, 2 jalapenos that we've chopped up, a 1/4 cup of some fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of some fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1½ tablespoons of some apple cider vinegar, juice of 1 lime, a 1/2 cup of olive oil, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Alright, you will find the recipe link for this down in the description box. That link will take you right to my website, itsonlyfood.biz, where you're going to find a ton of other recipes. Hope you give it a try, check it out. Alright, basically what we want to do, we got our little NutriBullet here, little blender. I'm going to start with about half the oil. Put parsley in there, our cilantro in there, jalapenos, and we'll just mix that up. Okay. Get our salt and pepper, the Dijon mustard, the 1 garlic clove right on in, apple cider vinegar right on in, the lime, don't worry if you get a seed in there, the rest of our olive oil, finish this off. Smells good. Can't really see that, but we are going to utilize this in a dish. You can use this for salads, you can use it for grain bowls, you can use it for all kinds of different methods for different things. It's got a little heat to it, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it, and then we're going to come back and taste it after we view these pictures of it with the music. Don't go away. Alright, pictures are done. Here's what our final result is. I got them I did some shrimp up, kind of basted and cooked them in this. It smells fantastic. There's a look at them right there. I'm going to taste them. I know that's pretty hot, so I'm going to give it a try. Not too bad. Cilantro kind of cuts it. Like a chimichurri sauce. Great on meats. Throw it in a pasta salad. Put it on grain bowl. Whatever you want to do with it. It's got a little smokiness to it too. Where that comes from. Yeah. Some tacos here. Basically all these ingredients except for the mustard and the olive oil and things like that came from the garden I've got out here. So this is pretty nice to be able to use up this stuff before we get hit with winter. But I don't really have any toppings to put in here. But let's give it a try. Roll it up. Yeah, that works real nice. That's good. Nice and juicy. Yeah, sauce isn't hot at all. Got a nice oily quality to it. You taste that Dijon kind of comes through there too. Gives it a little unique flavor. Kind of helps bind it up. But yeah, this is a really good jalapeno vinaigrette. The recipe link for this is down in the description box. Don't forget to go there and get that. And see all the other great recipes I've got on my website. It's onlyfood.biz. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you fixing?